Did you have a good bath? Huh? Did you have a good bath? Did you have a good bath? You did? Well, good. You miss Mommy? Do you miss Mommy? You don't? Ah, she's gonna be upset if she hears that. Oh, you were just joking? Okay. Well, we won't tell her that you said that, okay? You gonna be a good boy for Dad? Huh? You are? Okay. You ready to go night-night? You ready to go to bed? You ready to go to bed? You are? Okay. Well, let's go to bed.